Hi everyone, it's Lynn and welcome to our next event for Silver Bells. This will be an online event being held December 10th, and I want to show you the 3 workshops that we can make together that will be perfect for the season. These are the beautiful scrapbook pages, and I have to tell you that the photos just do not do the product line justice. They are more beautiful in person, but there are 8+ pages that we can create together, and you'll see them all here, and we'll go over all of the details. We are using the workshop kit for scrapbooking G1271 Silver Bells, and it has all the pattern paper, some cardstock, beautiful sticker sheet, 4 sheets of exclusive pattern paper, and 2 sheets of punch outs that are exclusive to the kit, as well as the beautiful dots that are along the bottom. The coordinating cardstock that we'll be using are White Daisy. You're going to need maybe 7 or 8 sheets of that overall. And then I'm recommending the custom 12 of mink, charcoal, and toffee, 4 of each, if you plan on doing the card making workshop with me that I'm going to propose. These are the dots, and I love these. Buy a couple of sets. They have glitter inside them, so it's white, gray, and toffee. Love those. And the mix-ins, we will be adding some of these mix-ins which work so well inside this workshop kit. The different colorings are the inks in charcoal, linen, toffee, black intense. Many of you own that. A few tri-blend markers, and for those who want to bash a little stash, silver or gold embossing is always optional. Everything will be detailed on the shopping list. The scrapbooking stamp set in thin cut is very pretty. I do enjoy using the different titles and the bow and the leaves in here for this workshop, and that's optional for you. Here are pages 1 and 2, which show you this beautiful pattern paper that's like garland in the background and mink. It's so much prettier if you could see it in front of you. The grays just don't really pop in the photograph. But you have some close-ups, and you'll see that the foil, the stickers are gold and silver foil. They're stunning. I did emboss 'Tis the Season in silver, but you can also just stamp it in charcoal if you prefer. It's really gorgeous. The second set of pages is a new design that Close to My Heart promoted, and it's I modified the right page a little bit, but the best time of year is a sticker, and I really like this. Could be used for winter, any kind of sleigh rides and things like that. So you have the options with some of the close-ups of the details here. Stickers, punch outs, things like that. The Magic of Winter, I really love this, and I use the Design Element stamp set. Many of you own that already for the stars that are silver embossed, but that's optional. But you have your stickers, which have that silver and gold metallic, and this is just a beautiful layout for a winter-themed photos you'll see here with the grays and the soft blues. The last set of pages, A December to Remember. Oh, this is really beautiful in person. And that you have the toffee and mink in the background done on triangles really helps make it pop. Love the different details. And here you can see some of that metallic sticker popping out. We've shown that one already. Now, when it comes to the Silver Bells card making stamp set, Z7088 and thin cuts, I've created another card workshop with this set. These are beautiful. I love the different ornaments and all the different sayings you see here. And of course, the bells, which this can also be used for wedding and anniversary. Now, you will need a package of the Silver Bells papers that you see here. Now, if you add the sticker sheet, it might be worth it to you because you can use those stickers again on more pages or some of the layouts. They're really beautiful. Now, optional is this Sunbeam embossing folder, and I'll show you how I used it on the cards. It's $7.95, and it really has some potential. When it comes to the cards, you will make 4 of this one design. Now, you can see that they're one design, but when you reverse the paper, you have the silver bells here and the ornaments here. And here's where you can see that Sunbeam embossing folder with those cute little dots being used. You could do the same thing here or not. But 2 cards will have the bells, 2 cards will have the ornaments, and they're colored in with the color pencils, the natural landscape pencils. So that's another thing that's on the shopping list for you. Now this is the same card, but when you flip the pattern over, you get the diagonal or this toffee pattern here. And then you have, I changed out the ornaments. We are using the colored pencils, but if you want to use shimmer brushes, watercolor pencils, or watercolor paints, tri-blend markers, or your own choice to color in, go for it. It's your choice of how you want to color in these different things. So, so pretty. So remember, there's 4 cards, 4 of each for 16 cards. Now this is the same card, so we have a top fold and here's a side fold, and I just love the fact that we have the ornament here. And we changed out the saying and reversed it a little bit here and colored the ornament a little bit lighter. Gold shimmer brush is really pretty with this particular kit as well. And the last card is the same design, and here you can see that sunbeam embossing folder being used here like a ray behind the ornament here, and then you have these 2 ornaments over here. So when you reverse the paper, it's the same card, but just a different look. Now the second card making kit is the G1292 Silver Bells kit, which has pattern paper, these card stocks, 12 regular size cards, and 4 slimline. And let's get a closer look at the stamp set. What I love about this set is they really have beautiful writing and sentiments and other stamps that have nothing to do with the thin cuts. This makes it really easy to use on these pages. And these are stunning thin cuts. I love this ornament. And then you have a couple of sprigs, the topper for the ornament, and then a bow and the bell. Here's card 1. So you have the option to make 4 of these cards or 2 of each of the cards that I'm going to show you and another scrapbook layout. We'll get to that, but isn't this pretty? So toffee ink is being sponged behind here. I added a little bit of gold shimmer brushing on here, and then these are stamped. So pretty and easy, so easy to do. Here's the silver gems that are being added as well that come inside the kit. Another card, you make 4 of these or 2, it's up to you, and a little bit of sponging, and now you can see some stamping, and again, that bow. It's so pretty. May Your Days Be Bright is another card. We stamp the sprigs down here, and now that ornament has a two-tone look because we're doing mink and toffee, and the sprigs are right here. And then on the last card, it's a slimline card with the 2 ornaments, and you can definitely sponge underneath here, and it's so pretty. Now, I took this idea to create the scrapbook layout, and I used foil, silver foil under here, and now you can see the foil here. It really pops. I did it on the bow. I put some paper behind the bells. It's really stunning. So for those of you who do the online event, you'll be able to create this with me if that's something you're interested in. For those of you who love digital art, this is the Silver Bells digital art that's only $9.95, and you can get this and add this to your cart. The online event will be held Sunday, December 10th from 1 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We will create all 8 pages plus the 2 card workshops, which are optional for you, and that extra scrapbook page if you decide to get the card workshop G12 1292 for Silver Bells. This is going to be a fabulous workshop and an online event. It's $35 to do the event with a minimum purchase of $75 in product. I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, let me know.